This question is about Lekhram Huzur. Hazrat Masih Islam made prophecy about him that he will die in a fixed period of time, but he didn't die. That is the point of mullahs.
Is it wrong? He died exactly within the time, and on the appointed day, the next day was Friday. Eid. Next day was Eid. Yawm al-Eid wal Eid aqrabu. It was Friday and Eid, I think.
Check again.
On Friday he got killed, and the next day was Eid as well. So I think I remember that. But anyway, he died next to the Eid day, or a day before the Eid, and it all happened exactly as he had prophesied. And the mullahs at that time never objected about the time lapse. They were the people who were witnessing this. They should have raised hue and cry that in time he has not been successful, he has not been murdered as prophesied. And the Hindus, Aryas themselves never objected. So I don't know what sort of mullah that is. Next. یوم العید جو چیک کر لیں. ہاں وہ یہ چیک کر لیں. میرا خیال ہے جمعہ اور عید آپس میں اکٹھے تھے.